Ladies, are you ready to bid farewell to those surplus pounds? This is a question that echoes in the minds of women across continents. From the bustling metropolises to serene countryside settings, from the ambitious entrepreneur to the committed homemaker. The incessant yearning to shed those extra pounds has established itself as an unwavering global phenomenon. This desperate need, this universal dialogue, has been the driving force behind countless endeavors, schemes, and scientific breakthroughs. Yet, one might ponder, how does one navigate through this labyrinth of information and misinformation? How does one distinguish between reality and carefully crafted illusion? The answer lies within a tale that is as extraordinary as it is ordinary. A tale that traces the course of a remarkable weight loss journey. A journey that saw an individual wave off a staggering 50 pounds of excess weight. A commendable feat, a beacon of hope for millions. This story is a testament to the innate human ability to transform and evolve. We aim to delve deeper into this narrative, unravel its intricate layers, and lay bare its secrets. In doing so, we hope to provide a blueprint for all of you prepared to embark on your unique and personal paths toward a more health-conscious and fulfilling lifestyle. Today's in-depth discourse extends beyond the simplistic notion of shedding kilos. It encompasses a holistic approach towards achieving your wellness objectives. It's about embracing a metamorphosis that makes you feel confident, effervescent, and healthier than you have ever felt before. This journey is one that you will not traverse in solitude. Countless women globally are chasing similar dreams, aspirations, and goals. Thus, we present you with a comprehensive guide, an all-encompassing master plan, a veritable fitness Bible that encapsulates 8 critical principles that promise triumph if adhered to with unwavering dedication. Our journey commences with the fundamental principle of healthy eating. The concept extends beyond mere nutrition. It delves into the realm of balanced meals, portion control, and the strategic selection of nutritious food choices. We then transition into the sphere of exercise routines, exploring regimens tailored specifically of women, combining cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility routines. Subsequently, we'll elaborate on meal planning, offering a plethora of weekly menu suggestions, innovative ideas for healthy snacks, and practical tips to optimize your diet. We'll then delve into the world of motivation and inspiration, sharing captivating narratives, empowering tips, and uplifting words of encouragement. We'll also introduce you to effective stress management techniques, a pivotal aspect impacting weight loss efforts significantly. We'll discuss the often overlooked yet vitally important aspect of sleep and recovery, providing practical strategies for enhancing sleep patterns to facilitate weight loss. Our discussion will propagate the concept of body positivity, emphasizing the significance of self-love and embracing body diversity throughout your weight loss journey. We'll infuse elements of fun into your regimen through innovative weight loss challenges and group activities aimed at maintaining engagement and motivation levels. We'll also invite a panel of renowned experts, nutritionists, personal trainers, and psychologists to share their invaluable insights and advice. Lastly, we'll provide unbiased supplement reviews, detailing the effectiveness and safety of commonly used weight loss supplements, debunking myths, and highlighting truths. Ladies, remember, your 1,000-mile journey starts with a single step. Let your transformation commence today. #healthy eating, #exercise routines, #meal planning, #motivation and inspiration, #stress management, #sleep and recovery, #body positivity, #weight loss challenges, #expert insights, #supplement reviews, #women fitness, #inspiration.